Hey Shamil, I hope I answer your first question, but now time to answer your second question. And the second question is also very important. So let's do first step is start with the early 30s. You guys need financial advisor. That's true. Okay, so now let's go with the second question. Second question is talk about the guaranteed tax-free retirement income. And I understand that you cannot give number of the public, but what is the more about it, right? Okay, tax-free retirement. I understand tax-free retirement is like a sound like too good to be true, but it is not. It's all about the number games. It's mathematical scientific numbers, which is Tom Hegna already told that. Uh, for that need to be do personalize. How we can do personalize? It is a case study. Each and every person has their own needs, family size, business size, and all other things is including in there. That things is the most important to do any kind of retirement planning. And on that retirement planning, also there is a so many bucket, which is says I can say like uh, index bucket. Make sure that there is a hidden charges in there. You have to think about that hidden charges, and all that hidden charges actually eating up your money. So that is the main key factors in the insurance, building your cash, how much the hidden money is in there. How you can figure out? Normal people don't know. But I can say, let's sit down and talk. But you know what? Today, I'm on vacation on Acapulco, Mexico. And I'm enjoying my vacation with my international celebrity speaker and entrepreneur and my coach, my guru, that more about the MDRT, top of the table speech and all that things. So I'm on the vacation right now. And you know what? Actually, I'm not on vacation. I'm on workation. Hey, hey, you say workation? Yes. I'm taking training, but at the same time, I'm enjoying my vacation. You can see, very nice resort, having a training, and also enjoying pool, ocean, views, and so and so. That is my few friends. They are also here. We are learning from the people, out of people, right? And here, you can see my coach. Hey, Mr. Clint, how we doing? So he's my coach. Awesome, man. He's awesome. He know what he's doing, and exactly he know what he's delivering. So I'm enjoying. Let's do, you know what? Let's do set up appointment, and I can teach you how to get guarantee paycheck and guarantee play check, which is you can. I'm early 50s. I'm enjoying my vacation. I can enjoy, so you can enjoy too. Let's have a meeting, and I can teach you how to do this, right? So let's say call Roma Money. 972-693-3315 is my phone number, and romamoney.com. You can log in on that too. So see you soon. Thank you.